If you're a homeowner in League City, you already know how important it is to protect your home from the Gulf Coast climate. From high humidity and sweltering summers to occasional severe storms, your property faces unique environmental challenges year-round. One of the most impactful upgrades you can make, both for comfort and long-term home value, is investing in quality window installation. While many homeowners focus mainly on the type of window they choose, the installation process is just as critical. Poor installation can undermine even the best window products, while expert workmanship can significantly enhance your home's curb appeal, energy efficiency, and resale value. Boosting energy efficiency and lowering utility bills. League City's warm, humid climate means homeowners rely heavily on their HVAC systems. Properly installed windows play a major role in keeping indoor temperatures stable. When windows are misaligned, poorly sealed, or installed by inexperienced contractors, air leaks become a constant issue. This forces your cooling system to work harder and drives energy bills up. Quality installation ensures a tight, weather-resistant seal that minimizes air loss and maximizes the insulating power of your windows. Over time, this can translate to substantial savings and a more comfortable indoor environment, two big selling points for potential buyers. Protecting your home from moisture and storm damage. Humidity and moisture are constant concerns in coastal Texas. Poorly installed windows can allow moisture to seep into the walls, leading to mold growth, wood rot, and structural damage. These issues can be costly to fix and can significantly decrease your home's value. In a region where storms and high winds are common, expert installation is not optional, it's essential. Quality installers use proper anchoring, sealing, and flashing techniques designed to withstand harsh weather conditions. This added protection helps preserve your home's structural integrity and eliminates the risk of hidden moisture issues that could impact resale value. Enhancing curb appeal and marketability. Windows are one of the most noticeable features of your home's exterior. Professionally installed windows look cleaner, fit properly, and enhance architectural design. Whether you're planning to sell soon or sometime in the future, first impressions matter. Buyers are drawn to homes that feel well maintained and updated, and high-quality window installation instantly elevates your home's overall appearance. Additionally, today's homebuyers are increasingly focused on energy-efficient upgrades. When they learn that your windows were professionally installed and backed by warranties, they view your home as a sound, low-maintenance investment. Preserving manufacturer warranties. Many homeowners don't realize that window warranties often require professional installation. DIY or improperly performed installation can void those warranties entirely. If an issue arises later, you may be stuck paying out of pocket for repairs or replacements. By choosing certified installers in League City, you ensure your new windows are protected for years to come. This adds value not only for you but also for future buyers who appreciate transferable warranties and documented professional workmanship. Boosting long-term property value. Quality window installation offers both immediate and long-term returns. In addition to reducing energy costs and improving comfort, it increases your home's resale value by offering upgraded appearance, better durability, and guaranteed performance. Homes with newer, professionally installed windows often appraise higher and attract more buyer interest. Final thoughts. Your home is one of your most significant investments, and every upgrade should contribute to its long-term value. In League City, where weather and climate can take a toll, quality window installation is essential. By choosing skilled professionals, you protect your home from air leaks, moisture, and storm damage while boosting energy efficiency, curb appeal, and resale value. When done right, window installation is more than a home improvement, it's a smart financial investment that pays off for years to come.